Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make good marshmallows. First, let's prepare our gelatin. You'll need to hydrate 4 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin in 1/2 cup of cold water. Let this mixture sit for about 10 minutes. This step, known as blooming, is absolutely essential. It allows the gelatin granules to fully absorb the water, preventing any grainy texture in your final marshmallow. A well-bloomed gelatin is the foundation for a perfectly smooth and bouncy treat. Next, we'll create the sugar syrup, which provides the sweetness and structure. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/2 cup of water. Bring this mixture to a boil over medium-high heat. It's critical to use a candy thermometer and cook the syrup until it reaches precisely 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not stir the syrup once it starts boiling. This prevents sugar crystals from forming, ensuring a clear, smooth syrup. Now for the magic. With your stand mixer running on low speed, carefully and slowly pour the hot sugar syrup into the bloomed gelatin mixture. Once combined, increase the mixer speed to high. You'll need to whip this for about 12 to 15 minutes. The mixture will transform, becoming incredibly thick, glossy, and opaque. It should nearly triple in volume, resembling a very stiff meringue. This extensive whipping incorporates air, giving marshmallows their signature light and airy texture. Finally, it's time to set and finish your delicious marshmallows. Lightly dust a 9 by 13-inch baking pan with a generous amount of powdered sugar. Carefully pour the thick marshmallow mixture into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly with an offset spatula. Let it set at room temperature for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. Once firm, invert onto a cutting board, cut into squares or shapes, and toss them in a mixture of powdered sugar and cornstarch for a perfect, non-sticky finish.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.